Okay. No, there is a reason I was doing that. It's because it has to cool the camera down.
Oh, I understand. Okay.
Yeah, that was the problem. But I'll try and sort that out. All right, so are you ready?
I'm ready.
You are now going to come up to the first roundabout,
This is a blind mini roundabout.
Okay,
So at the mini roundabout,
So if I show them now.
turn left first exit, what the examiner will say.
Yeah.
At the mini roundabout, turn left first exit. The GPS will say at the roundabout, take the first exit. It's not going to say left first exit.
Yeah.
So you do your mirror with pause.
So we can't see anything on the right hand side.
What you do, I do this. Ahmed, can you get me?
Yeah, go on.
I open the window because can you see the trees and all this?
Yeah.
They block the view, so I can hear. Now I turn on the exit. Ahmed, look away. Don't go fast.
Right.
Now you fast a little bit up to 26 miles an hour.
Okay.
So I accelerate a little bit.
If you want.
Yeah, 26 miles an hour, 25 miles an hour. This roundabout at the bottom of the Mill Hill Broadway, it catches a lot of people when they go straight ahead because it's a bend. So they're sort of like confused. I had a client here many years ago. They failed. So at the mini roundabout, straight ahead. It is your second exit. Approach slowly. Approach. Can you see my speed? Can you get my speed?
Yeah.
10 miles an hour. Is it safe to proceed? You look right. Don't give way to the left, which you don't normally do, people.
And there's one more thing. There's 2 lanes on the right hand side. So you have to think about the lane they're in, because if they're in the right hand side,
you have to know the area. You have to know the area, because left
also there's markings as well sometimes, you know.
Left goes into where it goes into.
No, meaning parking. Left will just come towards us.
Can I do U-turn here, please?
Go on.
Can I do
what you
U-turn?
need to do? Yeah.
Sorry about this. You did this out. Okay. Now, can we do that?
Yeah, go on. Where are we
At
going?
the mini roundabout, turn left first exit.
Okay.
Mirror, signal left. Speed 10.
Yeah.
Look how slow I'm going. I look and I look again. There is enough time for me to go. I go on the exit. I accelerate a little bit. You can hear the engine. To 25 miles an hour. 26.
That's good. All right, now we're coming up to another roundabout over the brow of the hill, and you can't see on the right hand side again soon. True.
I had a client fail here.
Yeah.
Do you know why?
People do.
Because he stopped after the giveaway. He stopped, but he stopped late. So straight ahead, second exit, mirror. I don't need a signal because I'm going straight ahead. Slow on the approach. I look right as my visibility opens. Safe to proceed. I have to go. I already decided. I'm already in the roundabout, so I have to put my foot down to go. It's too late for me to stop there. If I stop on the 5-lane, I had one.
I know.
If you stop there, you stop after the giveaway. That is a fail. Now,
roundabout coming up. Go left first exit.
Mirror, signal. This is the open mini roundabout, so you can look. Safe to proceed. Approach slow. Carry on slow. On the exit, safe to proceed.
Accelerate.
A little bit up to 25. Get that to speed, Ahmed. Up to 25.
I don't know if you're gonna get this. I never give my students a speed like that. You know that.
On the exit, you should.
Yeah, fair enough. Yeah.
But depends on the capability of the person.
Of course, yeah.
Okay.
Your clients are quite good. They're quite experienced, aren't they? Most of them.
Now, let's do double mini roundabout. Don't turn it off.
Okay.
We're gonna do 2 double mini roundabout, which again, my client failed.
Yep, happens. Okay.
I want to explain why she failed.
Go on.
The examiner in Mill, he said there are 2 mini roundabout ahead of us. I'm giving you this instruction a little bit early for you to plan ahead. But because she was so stressed, she couldn't understand.
Okay.
Even we done this route. So the examiner says we have 2 mini roundabout in front of us. Turn right at the first and ahead at the second.
Okay.
So I'm going to explain this a little bit better for some foreigners like me. Coming up 2 mini roundabout ahead of us. At the first mini roundabout, turn right, second exit. At the second mini roundabout, we are going straight ahead, second exit. The 2 mini roundabouts are very close to one another.
Okay.
So the first one, come on.
First one's
Miro. Can you get my finger, my left finger?
There we go.
Look how beautiful.
Oh, look at the style.
Look at the style. Is it safe to proceed? He's not signaling. I go slowly. 2 wheels can touch the mini roundabout. I go slowly. Look how slow I'm going. 9 miles an hour. Now, at the second mini roundabout, I go slow. Oh, right hand lane goes straight. Is there traffic on the right? He's not signaling. I go slowly. Left mirror, right mirror, pedestrian crossing always. 9 out of 10 there is a pedestrian crossing after the mini roundabout. 9 out of 10. And you put your foot down and go.
Okay, do you want to go back? Do you want to U-turn it?
Yes, I want to do U-turn.
Do it.
Is it safe to proceed?
Yeah. Even if it's not, you're going to do it.
No,
I'm joking.
I'm a safe driver.
I'm joking.
Safe driving for life, Ahmed. Safe driving for life, DVSA said.
Alright, you ready?
So, let's make this a little bit complicated. There's someone behind us. Are you still recording, sir?
Yeah, go on.
We have 2 mini roundabout ahead of us.
Yeah.
Straight ahead at the first mini roundabout and then turn right at the second.
Okay.
So, slowly, look right, he's turning left. Go slowly. Now, second roundabout, turn right, second exit. Mirror. Signals right. Look right. No one doing U-turn because sometimes they do. This gentleman is stopped. He didn't. The second one will stop. Go slow. The second one will stop because if you hesitate, they go.
Correct.
Particularly when they know
turn it around
it's a learner.
You can turn it around.
Yeah.
Go on.
Ahmed, once they know it's a learner, they jump in front.
I know.
Where's the reverse gear?
Across and up. It's across and up.
How?
Yeah, up. Across.
It's not going.
No, across and up.
Okay.
Technology.
I don't know this car.
I know
you need to know the car as well.
Of course, I know.
Now, is it what? Right down.
That's it, yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
At the mini roundabout, turn right, second exit.
Okay.
Mirror, signal. Look my speed on approach. But look how slowly I'm going.
I know.
They don't give you fault because you're going slow.
I know.
Look right, he's signaling right. That's Bobby. I'm looking for Maria to block Bobby. There's nobody there. He's gone. Again, I'm going super slowly. Go slowly, guys, if you want your license. Slowly. Pedestrian crossing after the mini roundabout, as Bobby predicted
As you predicted.
So, I'm going again 28 miles an hour. Mini roundabout required a lot of training. Just train before your test. Train with your instructor. Just mini roundabout until you're very confident. Then go to the roundabout. I want to do big roundabout. I want to do Mealy Circus. I want to do Apex Corner, and I want to do Sterling Corner. Right. 4th exit.
And then we're gonna run out of battery, yeah?
Battery? Is it
not the car, you idiot. The camera.
You can stop it. You can stop.
He's thinking I'm running on Duracell batteries.
I don't know.
Duracell batteries on my car.
I don't know. Get the extra battery. I don't know. You buying all this stuff. I don't have any of this stuff.
What's mine is yours.
Your video was good though. I like the video.
Which one?
I have something for international license holders.
What's that?
You know, we say they have a bad habits.
Yeah. Go on.
When you think of building something, you think of the front part of the brain. Hang on, I want to explain this very well. So when you're building something or you're learning something in the beginning, you built up with the front part of your head. Once you learned it, and you do it automatically using the back of the head.
Okay.
That's why the international license holder, they're making lots of mistakes because they do what they learned.
Right, we've got a roundabout coming up then, don't you?
Turning right. Middle, turning right. I want to finish what I said.
Hang
on. Is it safe to proceed? Yes, go slow. Look at the car on the left. I saw it from the corner of my eyes. I still go slowly. Bicycle is another subject. We're going to do it another lesson. So, you know, when someone goes, because he could, for example, at the roundabout motorbike, he shoot off. The international license holder, they follow the bike without looking because they learned this in their country. I'm not attacking them. Follow others.
Watch the bus now, look.
Yeah, that's Bobby. See if there is a Maria to blocked. Maria, look at Maria on the left. So I'm going slowly. And the second Maria will stop.
Very good.
So the timing is very important and confidence.
Very good. Look at the English. Wow.
Mas eu posso falar isso em português também. I can say that. And I'm learning Italian.
Parabéns.
Eu voglio parlare italiano. Yeah, I'm learning.
See.
فارسی هم باید بگم.
No.
یه چیز هم باید به فارسی بگم. I have to say something in Farsi as well.
Ah, there you go, yes.
Ahmed.
You can't forget your roots.
No.
No. Go on.
We're going to do this mini roundabout, then we're going to do big roundabout.
Go on.
Okay, at the mini roundabout.
There's another one, those double mini roundabouts up there.
Yeah, we can do that one. Do you want me to do that one?
Yeah, we'll go up to Apex.
Okay, we're turning left.
Yeah.
Mirror signal left.
Okay.
Let's go and do that roundabout. It is allowed. You know, we can do that. It's not illegal. We passed the bus stop sign.
Yeah.
That was a clever move.
Yeah.
You know, I've never done that though.
No?
Never.
Really?
That was the first time.
Oh, I did that once.
And the police, when the police training, they do this.
Ah, they go around it.
They go around it.
Because not that anyone stops at that stop sign anyway. Have you noticed?
Even the police doesn't stop.
You saw that video. You're the one who sent the video. Yeah.
You know, yesterday I was checking all your videos.
Yeah.
You got a lot of my videos without telling me. Without telling me.
I told you from the group chat. You put it up for me. You're the one who goes, Ahmed, this one's for you. This one's for you.
Ahmed, you're in my heart. Yeah. It doesn't matter. I swear to God. Okay.
I have to delete all those videos now.
Now,
here you go.
I want to do this 2 minute roundabout.
Okay.
It is in Mill Hill routes. It's a little bit tricky. The reason is a little bit tricky because the first roundabout is a blind roundabout and the car's flying up.
Yeah.
The second reason is a bit tricky because the 2 minute roundabouts are very close to one another and you have to change lane before you get to the second mini roundabout. It's a bit tricky, Ahmed. I want to explain this properly.
Okay.
May I?
Where are you going though?
We go left at the first mini roundabout and turn right at the second.
That's hard, yeah.
So we're turning left. You know what you have to do on this one?
Middle it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Why?
So you don't get overtaken.
You're catching up with me.
I'm getting there. You
dominate the lane.
Yeah, absolutely.
So when you dominate the lane, no one overtaking from
Examiner
the left or
said
right.
that once to my student as well. He goes, middle it a little bit so
Get
no one
this.
overtakes.
I want to show this, Ahmed.
Yeah,
so
on the top
we're
one.
going left, mirror signal left. I stay in the middle. Why? Because they're coming to your right and they overtake you to the left.
Correct.
So Bobby's on the right. There's no Maria on the left. Safe to proceed. I'll go a little bit forward, Ahmed, signaling left. Then I get straight to the right-hand lane.
Yeah.
Now Miro, signal right. He's not signaling. I don't know where is he going. He went left. The other one signaling left, I can trust. Slowly. 2 wheels go over the mini roundabout. Again, pedestrian crossing after the mini roundabout.
So annoying, yeah.
As always.
Yeah.
Predicted it.
Absolutely.
And put your foot down.
Yeah, you're going to do a U-turn.
He has to stop for me. Your client fell for this.
Yeah, you remember?
It was unfair.
Yeah.
It was unfair. He shouldn't fail.
That was harsh, man.
He shouldn't. Who?
That was that.
Oh, God. I almost said who was the examiner. I almost said who was the examiner.
Yeah, I think we all know.
He shouldn't. He shouldn't fail. He shouldn't. I'll put a comment on that video.
Yeah. Turn right again. That was very harsh, man.
He shouldn't do that.
She passed her next straight away. She deserved to pass that.
Sometimes I would say, I don't like to say that, but life is unfair sometimes.
Yeah, what can
but
you do?
we're all learning. Who is she?
Maestro.
You?
Her husband teaches as well. Anyway,
okay, we have 2 mini roundabout ahead of us.
Go on.
We're going left at the first mini roundabout and then turn right at the second.
Okay.
Again, is one lane but is a wide lane. Mirror signal left, I stay in the middle. She's wrong. Stay in the center.
Yeah, she might be going left. She's going
Maybe
left.
She
That's
did,
fine.
yes.
Yeah.
Bobby on the right.
Yeah.
Bobbies is plural. I'll keep looking left if someone can block them. Nobody's there. I'll block the van behind.
Yep.
Well done, me.
You're very good.
I'm going straight to the right hand lane. Mirror signal right. Again, slow. Look right. Don't trust the left. Slowly turn. Once you exit, mirror again.
Very good.
Go 20. But Ahmed, you know, once I was turning right, some people, do you remember that black car in Creeklewood? They got straight past in front of me at the mini roundabout. So I'm always ready.
Yeah. You can go left
for someone else. I want to do Middle Circus and then Apex.
Go. Yeah.
I'm always ready for someone to make a mistake.
Yeah,
I'm always ready. That's called defensive driver.
That's true.
Again, it's a biker things, because once you're on the motorbike, if you crash, you're dead.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's the way we think.
That's true.
Let's do a big roundabout. I want, with your permission, Ahmed.
No, you don't need my permission.
It's your video. It's your channel.
No.
I want to do briefing for the big roundabout very quickly, particularly turning right.
After this one, what I'll do is I'll put it onto a USB stick for you. You can upload it from your home.
Give me all your car and camera and everything.
Yeah.
But car is fun though. I love driving the car.
Yeah.
You do mirror, back signal left. You do mirror, back signal right.
He's just an actor, isn't he? He's a natural
really
actor.
Nice. It really is nice. You listen to the music. The test is tough.
You drive like my dad used to play cricket. My dad would play cricket with style. Like when he hits the ball, it would be like this, and he would look good.
Are you still recording?
I am, yeah.
Okay.
Why, you can say something about my dad?
Yeah. Turn right into this one. Okay, now hang on.
Good.
Driving has 3 elements: control, rules of the road, awareness and anticipation and planning. That fire blade is behind us again.
Ooh,
that's lovely.
You're gonna push him off and take the bike.
I want to do big
bike jack.
Ahmed, control is.
Remember, you used to cut. You had a different light on yours.
Yeah. LED. Ahmed, control. Everybody got control. A little bit good, a little bit bad. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
You get better in control as you drive in more.
Yeah.
The rules of the road, most of the people know. Green means go if it's safe to do so.
Yeah.
Amber means stop if you didn't reach the light. If you're in the middle, carry on, and red light or whatever.
Yeah.
The important part that all the instructors can be proud and say we are an instructor is not the control and the rules, because they know a little bit more than others, but anticipation and planning, that's why they are very proud. Anticipation and planning, they are very good at it. I want to do briefing for roundabout because I want to do this roundabout properly. You want to add something on the mini roundabout, Ahmed John?
No.
Would you like to add anything? Practice, people.
Yeah. I think there's more to it because, you know, sometimes you're going to come across people who are blocking, and then, as you said, there'll be multiple lanes as well, you know. But
right at the roundabout.
Yeah.
When you're approaching the roundabout, be careful though. If you go on the top of the 2 lanes, some mini roundabout go to this mini roundabout at the top of the Grand Park Road.
Yeah.
It used to have 2 lines. Now they made it 1. So if you go on the top of the 2 line, they fail you. Lane discipline. I had this in here.
Yeah.
You know when you're coming from Grand Park Road?
Yeah.
It was 2 lane when you're turning left.
Yeah.
My client gone on the top of the 2 line and failed.
Oh.
Lane discipline.
Really?
Oh. Many fail.
Oh. Right, I'm going to stop the video now.
Let's do.
1 second. Here we go. Bye. Bye.